In this video, we are going to look at the Singapore capital gains tax from the perspective of sale of shares of an Indian company. So generally, insofar as Singapore is concerned, there is no capital gains tax there, which means that when you sell shares or CCD or some other instrument, Singapore does not levy any capital gains tax. But the purpose of this particular video is that what will be the Singapore capital gains tax if there is a transfer of shares or CCD of an Indian company. Now, if there's a Singapore company, it may either own shares of an Indian company or it may own CCDs of an Indian company. In both these cases, whenever there is a transfer of either the shares or the compulsorily convertible debentures, there will be a capital gains which will arise on such a transfer, the taxability of which needs to be examined, one, from an income tax perspective in India, which is the Income Tax Act 1961, and second, if these are taxable, then whether any special or concessional benefit is available under the India-Singapore Treaty. So what you need to see is, first and very important point, are those capital gains, are the transfer of shares or CCDs liable to tax under the Income Tax Act 1961? And if it is taxable, then what is the rate of taxation? Now, just for your information, the rate of taxation on capital gains in India can vary from 10 to 40%, which is besides the exclusive education cess and surcharge that may be applied. Now, therefore, it is important to find out if capital gains is something which is leviable on transfer of shares or CCD, and second, if so, what is the rate at which these are liable? The rate of tax can be 10%, it can be 20%. This is insofar as long-term capital gains are concerned. But the rate can also be 15% or 40% depending on what kind of an instrument is transferred, what is the period of holding of that instrument, and other things. Once you've analyzed that these capital gains are taxable under the Income Tax Act 1961, the second step is to see whether there is any additional benefit available under the India-Singapore Treaty. The provision of Singapore Treaty generally gives India the right to tax capital gains arising from sale of shares, but there are certain cases where if the shares were acquired prior to April 1, 2017, the capital gains tax may not be leviable. But for shares acquired after that date, capital gains tax is leviable. Now, the rate at which it will be applied is something which is debatable, which can be seen depending on the particular facts of the case. Similarly, the transfer of CCDs of an Indian company are liable to tax in India at the rate of 20 or 40%, depending on whether this is a long-term or a short-term capital gain which is applicable. On the Singapore tax treaty that India has, the provision are a bit not very clear, not specifically mentioning whether CCD is taxable or whether it is not taxable. So it's a question of interpretation that has to be taken by relevant company based on the risk appetite that they may have or based on the provisions of the India-Singapore Treaty, which may be applicable to their facts. From a housekeeping perspective, it has to be ensured that the seller company has a tax residency certificate. They are meeting the conditions of limitation of benefit clause, if any, which is applicable, and certain other aspects which are relevant for the company. Now, the most important thing which has to be noted here is that if you are a buyer of shares from a company which is based out of Singapore, you need to deduct applicable TDS from such transaction. If you do not deduct TDS, tomorrow the income tax department can come and seek to recover these taxes from you if the buyer fails to discharge, if the seller fails to discharge their liability. So this is the end of the generic video that we had over here. If you need any help in ascertaining the implications associated with capital gains taxation, you can feel free to contact us at this particular email ID, phone number, or at the link description which is given in the description section of this video.